Just doing some testing of the MP Knives blacksmith or striker knife. Shaving off more of this birch fungus as a coal extender. Knife has excellent grind, convex, cuts like a laser. There we go. Some rocks which aren't that sharp. I probably should have sharpened them by napping, but I didn't do that. And some punk wood, charred. It's so delicate I can't hold it on the rocks. I'm going to try to throw a spark into the material. Without sharp edges, it might be a little tricky, but we'll give it a go. Oops. There it goes. Because I can't see. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, there it goes.